Hi guys, welcome to the Formless Guide. Today we're gonna have a short episode. That sacred pause, finding infinity in a single breath. I'd like you to look around you right now. No, really, not with your mind, but with your awareness. Do you feel the tug, the pull, the hurry? For a long time, I thought the answers lived far away, on a mountaintop, or in a flash of cosmic light. I was always chasing a bigger moment. But what if the whole universe is currently unfolding in the simple space between an inhale and an exhale? That exhale becomes a profound moment. It is the end of one cycle and the beginning of the next. It is the point of contact with the eternal flow. Today we are going to explore this space. We are going to find the vastness of the source, not in some distant future moment, but in the immediate, delicate rhythm of the now. This feeling is not detached. It is the most connected you can possibly be. We often mistake consciousness for deep thought, a process of analysis, or something complex. But our true, expansive consciousness is actually the field of presence that holds all thought and experience. It is pure being. Let's ground this with an example. Consider the simple act of drinking water. Most of the time, it is just a mechanical thing that we do to sustain the body. The mind is racing ahead to the next task or ruminating on the one before it. We are physically here, but metaphysically absent. But what if, for just 5 seconds, you were to pause? What if you feel the cool glass? Notice the precise moment the water touches your tongue, and sense the life it brings to your cells. That small intentional pause becomes a tiny door. It is the moment where your consciousness steps out of the illusion of linear time and fully inhabits the present. This is the metaphysical core of our very practice. The present moment is the only point of infinite connection. When you are truly present with a mundane action, you are aligning with the original creative energy, the source field that is already pouring through you. You are touching the boundary, less nature of your own being. The doing falls away, and only the stillness remains. This is not about adding new rituals to your day. This is about re-inhabiting the life that you already have. Let us find 3 anchors that can gently draw you back to that sacred pause throughout your day. Before opening a door, before starting your car, before looking at your phone, just pause. Take 3 deep, slow breaths. On the first breath, feel the body. On the second, notice the stillness of the air. On the third, set the intention to move into the next moment with presence. This simple sequence recalibrates your entire system and aligns your inner field with the outer reality. The next anchor, that single sense focus. Our senses are the portals to the now. Choose one sense and dedicate just 60 seconds to only that sense. Possibly the smell of coffee brewing, the sound of rain on the window, the texture of the carpet beneath your feet. Allow your full awareness to be absorbed. Do not analyze the smell or the sound. Simply let the experience be. In that absorption, there is no separate self, only the vast knowing of experience. Now we have anchor 3, the body check moment. Whenever you stand up or sit down, pause to notice the transition. Feel that sensation of gravity. Notice the weight of your body making contact with the chair or the floor. Think of your muscles, each group contracting, tensing up, and relaxing. This is a moment of pure physics and pure being. It grounds you immediately in the material reality of the universe. In that feeling of weight, you find your stability. And in that stability, you find the formless peace that you've always been seeking. And you nourish the formless nature that's always been waiting. My friend, you are not looking for enlightenment. You are simply allowing the light that is already here to be seen. You have everything you need. The vastness of consciousness is not somewhere you need to travel to. It's not some ritual you need to perform. It is the space that you are already in. The sacred pause is not a technique. It is an act of remembering. It is the moment you accept the invitation to step fully into the present. Not as a survival method, but as allowing the source field of consciousness, that infinitely expanding awareness, to express itself without effort. Carry the stillness of that single sacred pause with you. Until next time, I am simply here, waiting for you to remember. This is your Formless Guide, signing off.